Hey, it's Bear.
And Squirrel.
And today, in episode 4 of Baton Rouge Family Hikes, we are visiting Clark Creek Natural Area. We will hike the improved trail to explore 3 waterfalls.
Please like and subscribe to keep up with our channel.
Clark Creek is situated on 700 acres of hills and bluffs near Woodville, Mississippi.
It is a beautiful area that our family has visited too many times to count, even though it is a bit of a drive to get here.
All trails describe the hike we did as the improved trail. However, it is really a combination of the improved and the primitive trails. This is our navigation for the day, in which we hiked 4 miles.
The day use entry fee is $2 per person. There is an honor box located at the trailhead. Just fill out the envelope, place the money inside, hang your tag in your car, then place the envelope in the box.
We have seen this hike rated moderately difficult, but since this is a series on family hikes, and this hike requires hiking up and down steep grades, scrambling over rocks that are sometimes slippery, we will be rating it hard. The hike begins mostly by descending downhill. Stay to the left at any forks in the trail, and you will come to the first waterfall. There just aren't any other places like this around Baton Rouge. Tunica comes close, but this place feels more like hiking in Arkansas or northern Georgia. The route we followed mostly followed the creek for most of the rest of the hike. It is a beautiful hike, following the twists and turns of this creek. It isn't long before you come to the second waterfall.
Leaving the second waterfall, we again follow the creek. Waterproof shoes are definitely a must when visiting this park.
For our gear spotlight, we'd like to tell you about these great hiking poles we have with us today. When hiking up and down steep grades or on uneven terrain, they are really nice to have.
We don't always recommend a certain brand of anything, but these have been so durable, we had to brag on them a little. These are Trail Buddy trekking poles. They are adjustable for any height, even squirrel height like me. Find a link in the description for the ones we have.
For this type of terrain, a single pole is just fine. It allows one hand to be free if you need it. This is a $20 investment that you really won't regret if you need it. Following the creek, you'll come to a sign indicating a side trail to the third waterfall. It is only a 5-minute detour to get there.
Doges are allowed at this park.
My dad got in the water. He says it was freezing.
The third waterfall is the best place to take a dip in the water. Make sure to bring a swimsuit if you plan to swim.
Clark Creek can be a very peaceful place during the week, but it can get really busy on a nice weekend. Try to come on a weekday if possible to avoid the crowds.
The route we took again continues through the creek before you arrive at this stairwell to bring you up to the main trail and a long hike back up. The hike in was mostly downhill, so that means the hardest part of the hike is the final stretch. Make sure to save some energy for it.
Clark Creek is not just a great hike for our family, it's a family tradition. Our parents brought our older brother here many times before we were even born, and it's something that's been a constant over the years. Other things may change, but Clark Creek is always here, just being the beautiful place it always has been.
We hope somebody out there will see this video and will make this tradition their own.
It's no surprise we're giving Clark Creek 5 stars.
Now it's time for some trail magic.
Since our hike ended later in the evening, our trail magic will be a proper meal at the Francis in St. Francisville. The Francis is a very popular restaurant and is sort of locally famous. They are very busy, and normally that means they must be doing a lot of things right.
We visited on a busy Friday night, but only had to wait about 20 minutes for a table, since there's a whole lot of seating here.
We sat outside under a beautiful oak tree. The atmosphere here, inside or out, is really nice.
The food we ordered was mostly very good. There are a few issues with our order, where we got toppings we didn't want, and didn't get one that we did want. It only affected our enjoyment a little bit. Another issue is that it took over 45 minutes to get our food from when we ordered.
On another night, we think the Francis is a 5-star rating, but our visit tonight will have to be 4 stars. We still recommend it to you if you're in the area.
Thanks for coming along with us on this hike. We hope you enjoyed our visit to Clark Creek, our favorite all-time Baton Rouge family hike. Please like and subscribe so you know when we go on our next hike.
Thanks for watching.